Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about local food wisdom, traditional cooking with bamboo. Indonesia is rich in traditional food culture, and some of the most unique dishes are cooked using bamboo. Let's explore two delicious examples. Panso from Kalimantan and Lemang. 1. Panso, cooking in bamboo, Dayak style. Panso is a traditional cooking method from the Dayak people of Kalimantan. Chicken and rice are placed inside a hollow bamboo tube along with herbs and fragrant leaves like bay leaf or turmeric leaf. Then, the bamboo is roasted over an open fire. Why is panso special? The bamboo adds a smoky aroma and natural flavor to the food. There's no need for pots or pans. Nature provides all the tools. This dish is often prepared during Dayak ceremonies and celebrations. 2. Lemang, glutinous rice in bamboo. Lemang is made by mixing glutinous rice with coconut milk and a pinch of salt. This mixture is poured into bamboo tubes lined with banana leaves, then slowly roasted over a fire. What makes lemang a favorite? It has a rich, creamy taste and soft texture. It's often served during festivals and family gatherings. Lemang shows how people use natural materials in creative ways. What can we learn? Traditional foods like panso and lemang teach us to appreciate nature and the local ingredients around us. Respect traditions passed down from our ancestors. Be creative with cooking, even without modern equipment.
After watching the video, answer the following questions. 1. What makes panso a unique cooking method, and how does bamboo contribute to its flavor?
Panso is unique because it uses bamboo as a natural cooking vessel, adding a smoky aroma and natural flavor to the food. The bamboo eliminates the need for pots or pans, showcasing the creativity of the Dayak people.
2. How is lemang prepared, and what role do natural materials play in its cooking process?
Lemang is made by mixing glutinous rice with coconut milk and salt, then pouring the mixture into bamboo tubes lined with banana leaves. The bamboo and banana leaves provide a natural cooking environment, enhancing the flavor and texture.
3. Why are dishes like panso and lemang often associated with ceremonies and celebrations?
Lemang is made by mixing glutinous rice. These dishes are deeply rooted in tradition and are prepared during special occasions to honor cultural heritage. Their unique preparation methods and flavors make them ideal for festivals and family gatherings.
4. What lessons can we learn from traditional cooking methods like panso and lemang?
Traditional cooking methods teach us to appreciate nature, use local ingredients creatively, and respect ancestral traditions. They also show how cooking can be done without modern equipment.
5. How do panso and lemang reflect the creativity and resourcefulness of Indonesian food culture?
These dishes demonstrate how natural materials like bamboo and banana leaves can be used innovatively in cooking. They highlight the ability to create flavorful meals using simple, locally available tools.
6. What cultural significance do panso and lemang hold for the Dayak people and communities in Sumatra?
Panso and lemang are more than just food. They represent cultural identity and heritage. They are prepared during important ceremonies and gatherings, symbolizing unity, tradition, and respect for nature.
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.